Hey guys, we are on to our next module of official FBA mastermind course. So we have come to module 2, supplier and shipping. So today's topic is going to be on supplier checklist. So what you have to do is you have to go to alibaba.com, and here you have to type your product that you are going to sell. So guys, I'll show you one example. So let's go for water bottle. So as you can see guys, we have come to the product page, and firstly what you have to do is you have to click this supply types button, and you have to check for trade assurance, and guys, you have to choose a verified supplier. The reason that I'm telling you to choose this button is because out of 100, 1% maybe try to scam you on Alibaba, so it's better to be safe, guys. So as we come down, you can choose market place you want to source from. It can mainly all of the products are sourced from China, but they source from other country also. It's like Taiwan. And you can choose this management certificate if because some of the product that you sell on Amazon requires some type of certification. So if Amazon is asking you for some type of certification, you can come here and check that certification. Mainly some of the products required FBA certification on that you sell on Amazon, so you can check this button, FBA certification, and the documents that Amazon requires. Other than that, you can choose your metal type, features, or any sort of filters that you can choose from here, guys. So hope you got an idea you can choose, and the checklist that you have to keep in mind, guys.